This is my book, Wally Wally Bing Bang Finds His Fishing Stone. You can find it on Amazon.com by Gabriel Skelly. A portion of the proceeds from this book go to the Minnesota Red Ribbon Ride. A dollar from any online sale goes to the Minnesota Red Ribbon Ride, and $5 from any sale I sell myself goes to the Minnesota Red Ribbon Ride. So if you're interested, check out my book. I wrote it during the NaNoWriMo 2007. It stands for November is National Novel Writing Month. It's a competition where authors try to write a 50,000 word essay in just the month of November. I had a lot of fun. I found some good publishing companies online, got my book published, and now I'm going to use it as a donation tool to try to bring in more funding for some nonprofits around Minnesota, because we know that certainly AIDS is one charity that can use a little more funding with all the stigmas put onto it, and something that creates that much impact in Minnesota, the U.S., and worldwide is something that we all need to do more. So check out my book, Wally Wally Bing Bang Finds His Fishing Stone by Gabriel Skelly on Amazon.com, and a portion of the proceeds go to the Minnesota Red Ribbon Ride to help stop AIDS. Thank you.